out here in Pickering, just exploring on my main channel, out and about with yours truly, Lizzo C. Looking for something to eat, and I didn't even know there was such a thing like this fair, like festival going on here. As soon as I got out of the GO station and walked over the pedestrian bridge, I'm like, okay, what am I gonna do? And then I saw like Ferris wheel, so I'm like, okay, let's see what's going on here. So it's a RibFest here. Kids rides on the other side, a lot of vendors. But I decided to try AthenSeoul Souvlaki fusion. It's Greek and Korean. It's windy, of course. It's tricky here. All right, I got my Souvlaki Pita. Comes with fries. She put a bit of pickled radish. She gave me some extra tzatziki sauce. Okay. I'm gonna quickly do this because it's windy out here. I don't want my setup to fall. But here, take your bite. Looks good. Very good. Thank you. Tzatziki is nice. Pita is good. Oh, so AthenSeoul they don't have a restaurant. They're just in the food truck business at any of these fairs, I guess, or festivals. So look out for them. Follow them on Instagram and take care. Bye.